So I think some of the things that set our practice apart are our technology and our attention to detail. One of the things that's a little bit unique about our practice is that we have the ability to do same-day dentistry. And that's everything from your traditional, of course, fillings and such, but also up to crowns. We have a prime mill and a prime scan here, which allows us to do crowns in one appointment. And that's something that's a little bit unique for our area. There are a couple other practices that perhaps have that, but that's one of the things that at our office, patients are really excited about, is the ability to get same-day dentistry, same-day crowns. And then also we utilize the highest level of imaging. So we have a CBCT or a 3D image here, which is a little bit unique for a general dentist office. Between our scanners, our intraoral cameras, our 3D imaging, our machinery that allows us to do same-day dentistry, the technology is a step above what you'd typically see in a general dentist office, and that allows us to provide the best diagnostic care for our patients, and then helps me when I'm treatment planning and coming up with solutions for patients' problems. So I think that's one of the things that separates us. And then the second thing I would say is attention to detail. We are a fee-for-service office, and so with that, we really try to take that extra step, go that extra mile for patients when it comes to patient experience, patient care, given that extra little touch of comfort, whether it's back in the operatory or here in the lobby, just so that patients feel like they're taken care of. We're not trying to rush patients in and out of their appointments. We try to value their time when they're here. We get them back on time as best we can. And then ultimately, we want them to feel like their needs and their concerns are valuable, that they're meaningful, and that we have the time to focus the attention on them. And I do feel like we do a good job of that, where it's not about churning patients through, it's about getting quality care for each patient and taking the time to do that. And I think our office has had a nice culture built over the last couple decades. I mean, we're a very established practice in the area, been in the area over 40 years. And so patients know the level of care that they come to expect here. The level of care that you'd see here in this office, I do believe, is a little bit higher than what you'd see in a traditional dental office. And we do that by focusing on the little details and making sure all the necessary touch points are taken care of, from the patient experience, from when they walk in to when they get treatment to when they leave. We try to make sure all that is as detail oriented as possible.